Okay, now. Okay, what have you understand in the video?
You have to put your nails.
Okay, stand up here, or you explain that to your classmate. You have to. Okay.
I heard that they were talking about brushing your teeth and then combing your hair and clipping your nails and toenails.
Very good. Clap hands for Aria. Okay, another. Unsa pa din yung nasabtan? Unsa yung nasabtan? What have you understand? Yes, stand up here. Ate at, you're correct. What have you understand? Brush your teeth every day. Very good. What else? Clap your hands to at. What else? Okay, stand up here. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Okay, those are the personal hygiene that we need to take care of our body. Okay, I will show you a picture if we will not take care of our body. Look at this one.
I see in the video.
Dalawa ha.
Oh, Jerry, my body's morning.
What happens if you will stop, take a
Hey
bath?
friends, before we start today's episode, I have an important message to share with you. As you must be aware, due to certain new policies, you are not able to comment on our videos. But don't you worry, my friends, you can still share your valuable. Oh, Kiki, take a bath.
Can I pull that?
Yeah, pusa or a kitty?
I forgot to put the deodorant on my body this morning. I'm really sorry.
Okay, that one.
Boring to take a poop.
Look at that one. Look at the pusa or the earring.
But have you ever wondered what will happen
If we stop bathing.
once for all? So, in today's episode, let us come clean and find the answer to this sticky, winky question. What if we stop bathing? Zoom in! Bathing is a process of washing your body with warm or cold soapy water to maintain personal hygiene in today's society and protect our body from disease-causing microbes and other nuisances like a lice infestation.
Nice. Okay, look at that.
In general, it is okay to skip a shower once in a while if you don't feel like taking one or due to other health
And look at
conditions.
that one.
But missing a bath every day for a longer period could negatively affect your personal and social life. Yes, let us see how.
Yes. Smelly, dirty, baho. Correct.
Bad body odor.
Okay, what happened?
Sweat
My body
itself.
odor.
Your arm
It can
is
mix with
really
germs
dirty
on the skin
and dirty.
start to cause
Dirty
a
and
foul
smelly.
smell. Though, after a point of time, you will develop immunity to this stinky odor due to condition called olfactory fatigue.
Okay, what will happen if you will not take a bath? Jed.
It's not bad.
Okay, stand up, Jed. You will be smell bad. So, baho, the kilikili, the arm is bad. Thank you, Jed. Clap your hands and you can also develop a what?
I'm done it. Mom said she forgot her wallet. She didn't pay for it when she was back.
Who forgot to take a bath?
I mean, my mom forgot her wallet.
Don't worry, I'll take care of that. Don't worry.
Thanks.
Oh. Okay, so that is what will happen. Do you have wondered why is it that you have a lice? Ako too.
Maybe because they spread it to your body. It's spread what I want to your body because they can stop.
Okay, stand up here, explain that one. Why is it that we develop a lice?
So if you have headlights, I mean, so that's like around the house, right? House headlights. Sometimes the headlights make contact with the headlights and the normal head.
What?
It can bounce. It can jump to the other person.
So you mean that Sometimes the lice is getting from the other head.
Yeah, because they can jump from one to another.
But the main reason with that is, why is it that she has a lice? Because she didn't,
She has all
she
showers.
skipped the,
She skipped showers.
yeah, very good, and she didn't do the personal.
Hygiene.
Very good, clap your hands for Arya. What else? I know si Rumer haven't answered. What happened, Rumer? We will not take a bath.
Ikaw?
Take off your pan. Sige. Kung sa'yo mahitabo kung wala tay ligo.
Maho na.
Manimaho ta, baho. And then, ang atong classmate, dili ganahan o? Very good. Correct. Kaya walay? Very good. Clap your hands for Rumer. Okay, come here, ulit. Come here. Ulit, come here. What will happen if we will not take a shower? What will happen if we will not take a shower? Yeah. Very good. According to Paulette, that if we will not take a shower or take a bath, we will have this dirty and smelly body odor in our arm, in our singit, armpit, and even our shoe. Yeah. Okay, now, I want you, everyone here, you will get one picture and explain what is the use. Explain that in front. Who wants to be the first?
Me.
Okay, Jed, after Jed, you. Jed, get one and explain in front. Okay, explain.